Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 22nd of September 2025. So basically, it's Monday, uh, and let's see what's happening in the news. There's USD is only medium impact news, which won't have much impact on if OMC member Miran speaks. And Tuesday, we got 245. 245 and also we got another 245 flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI 535. Fed Chair Powell speaks. That's Tuesday, and let's go on Wednesday, where we got new home sales at 3 p.m. medium impact. And on next day, the Thursday, we got 130 final GBP and unemployment claims. These are two news have impact for USD, which we are interested in for the trading for gold. And Friday, let's just 1:30 p.m. we are core PC price index PM core PC price index and this is the only main news here, and the other one is a low impact medium impact at 3 p.m. So these are the news for the week. And jumping onto the gold chart, we're still towards the end. We are towards the end of the month. Looking at the calendar, so we've got 1 week and 2 days to go, and starting with the monthly candle, let's see what's happening. It's a very, very bullish candle. Looks like it will close bullish as well, because previous month was very bullish. But let's see. And weekly, this is also, guys, to let you know that this is a buying season for gold these few months. It's a buying season, so we can expect the price reaching up to 4,000. Okay, weekly, previous week was a rejection, but market was so bullish because it didn't even tested this fair value gap. This gap here wasn't tested. Now, although there was a rejection from the top, and now let's see what's gonna happen because we got tiny gap here as well. So let's see if that's tested or not in this week. And going on to daily, we have strong rejection area. This one with the bullish candle. This is a fair value gap. So I can expect the prices to come down a bit and then could go to the upside. Let's mark these levels for the daily. So these are the areas of interest for daily. And now going on the 4 hour. We got this area of interest in 4 hour as well. The fair value gap. That's area of interest. If the market goes to the upside and going on to the 1 hour, we have similar here, similar thing here as well. And now market can reject from here as well because the daily level. So take the liquidity, come to this level and go back again. It's 1 hour. So we have to see the evidence here, how the market moves. If we see the bullish evidence, we can buy from here. If there's bearish evidence, we can sell up to this level. And if further it goes down, then the next level with this. That's another fair value gap here. So, and also you can go into smaller time frame, see how the market is going at the moment. And market tested this level currently in the bullish scenario. If I mark the waves, they look like something like that. So these waves, what are they telling us? It's market making higher highs with higher points. If I change the color of this and draw another line, and you will see something which I wanted to show you, and that is, so currently market have this way, and all this is internal structure. So I'm expecting the market to break this level or all-time high. Whether it breaks by consolidating here and or just coming down here and then goes, let's see. So currently market is making this scenario externally, 1, 2, 3. And a test of has tested this level here. A strong level here. There was a daily area here, previous dailies, and now market was going to the upside. So I hope this makes sense, guys. So when you trade, you always look for point of interest, and point of interests are the areas where we are interested to take our entries. And at the point of interest, you always mark mark the point of interest, or if you know it, you don't have to mark if you can remember without marking, and just look for the confirmation. You take trade from there. I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.